Welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to create a Snapchat account. It's not very difficult. I have shown it with arrows. Just keep clicking. Write an email address. Give a password of email address. Click on Delete my account. This account has been deactivated. You can recover it within the next 30 days. Otherwise, after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. Remove this account from